We're up pretty high, actually.
Really high. Okay. Look,
Fun.
okay.
Here's the drone.
Huh? Oh yeah. Honey, do something. Yeah.
I can't move.
Honey, don't hold on to the string.
I have to hold onto the string.
No.
I have to keep myself
Yeah,
from getting
look the
squished.
drone, eye contact with the drone. We have we hire a professional videographer.
Oh my sunglasses fell off somewhere. Should have thought about that. Dang. I think when we tripped over ourselves in the water.
Oh my god. Look at
How do you feel?
so beautiful. Wow. This is so
The
fun.
weather is wonderful.
Uh-huh.
The water is great.
Uh-huh.
These are a little bit uncomfortable. We're up pretty high. I don't really feel that afraid though. I don't really feel that afraid.
Why are you telling me? Why are you holding on to my body?
I feel like it makes me look at an angle.
Okay, I don't know. I can't see. I'm just doing the video camera around. Okay, I can't. Are you in the video? I don't know.
We're not really moving very fast though.
Oh, look at it.
There we go.
Eye contact with the drone. We have the personal. Relax. Are you sure you're relaxing? Look at how. Look at his legs right. Trying to hold on to my hip.
It's attached to your arm. There's the drone. There's us being recorded by us. There's you.